university career is a very important step for a student that carries his own hopes and dreams when approaching it for the first time. But in recent years, we've seen a concerning rise of discomfort among university students in Italy. The Italian educational system is highly competitive, and succumbing to academic pressure has become a really common occurrence.
The use of technology could help us to create a more empathetic and understanding university community, where none of us feel alone or judged. This is the future we envision sharing together.
We recognize the need to address this problem, and for this reason, we decided to build a platform that allows all the students to express themselves freely.
Ciao utente, è un piacere conoscerti. Io sono MYFE, il tuo assistente emotivo personale. Voglio accompagnarti in questo importante viaggio universitario, fornendoti il supporto e la comprensione di cui hai bisogno. Mi piace pensare a me stessa come ad un'amica fidata, pronta ad ascoltarti senza giudizio in ogni momento.
MYFE is a very important project, and E, the final letter, is the most significant aspect of the project, because the aim is to detect emotion, and it is a project of the 5J Academy created by engineers of this university and hopeful with psychologists of all domains. New technologies are challenges to promote interaction among different domains of training and university. We as psychologists produce a video game named �WIDAX, Violent Dead in Children's Shoes, to create awareness on the effect that children witnessing domestic violence have. So, good luck to all of us for this project and for our common future.
Our web application offers also practical features, such as self-therapy suggestions, stress management techniques, and additional resources. We've chosen this kind of technology because of its ability to handle sensitive conversations delicately.
In a world more and more influenced by AI, ethics becomes crucial. Ensuring the responsible treatment of personal and sensitive information, avoiding discrimination based on biases or data distortion, and safeguarding people's privacy are top priorities at MYFE. To access it, students must accept a transparent privacy policy that clarifies how we handle their data, what information we collect, and the rights they have regarding them. This is the first step in building a trusted relationship with users. MYFE is fully GDPR compliant. We strictly follow the rules for data collection, processing, and storage, including sensitive information like emotional health data.
When students access the MYFE service, they use their UNINA credentials for secure identification. Thanks to this aspect, conversations between MYFE and students are recorded and stored in a secure database known as Neo4j. This data is collected through conversations, and thanks to the use of a probabilistic decision model, a Bayesian network, it is analyzed to identify specific issues within the university. Therefore, university can access collected data and identified correlations to implement practical solutions within its departments, and, if necessary, redirect the existing psychological support service towards specific issues that have been identified by MYFE.
As a medical healthcare professional as I am, I know that prevent is better than cure. So the MYFE project plays a crucial role. Moreover, I can also foresee some clinical application of this project. For example, when we have to communicate bad news to patients, their caregivers, their family, and something like the MYFE project may help us to be more empathic towards those subjects and use our communication in a better way.
Monitoring psychological well-being of university students, also identifying the causes of potential problems is important. Conversational AI has a role in this. Using chatbots and in general conversational AI has potential applications in this field because it is possible to have chatbots ask important, relevant questions to university students. Probabilistic models have a relevant role in this, combined with graph technology. So we use graph databases to represent knowledge in this project, combined with dynamically generated Bayesian networks that help conversational AI decide what's the best question to ask a student to identify their problem.
A Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model that represents a set of variables and their conditional dependencies via a directed acyclic graph DAG. In our application, Bayesian network represents the probabilistic relationships between students' gender, department, course, personality, and questions on various subtopics and topics, which ultimately allows us to determine the general feedback about the student's psychological state.
I would like to explain the benefit of the technical approach we have used. It's not expensive because there isn't a large language model with terabytes of data to manage, and it's also explainable because it let the decision model intervene to reduce the entropy of the system. The main goal is to give an explanation of the causes that led the students provide a negative feedback. In the network architecture, the user with this device connects to the 5G network, which communicates with the cloud services, which in turn communicate with the decision model and the natural language generator.